Hi there, my name is Ashley Nahara, and today I will be demonstrating the functions of my Java program, which converts any number base to a different number base. In reality, it only converts between four, which is binary, decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. Here we've got our menu, which allows us to choose either A for binary, B for octal, C for hexadecimal, and D for decimal, and then we can choose Q if we want to quit. But we're going to start off with A, and it asks us enter a binary value to be converted. And we're going to start off with something small so that we can see we can understand the outputs. For binary, it'll output the initial input, which is 101, 0, and then octal, which is 1, 2, hex, which is just A, and decimal, which is 10. And then down here, we've got, again, the main menu displays, and we'll go ahead and choose B, and it asks us to enter an octal value. And so we'll enter 4, 5, 6, and that will display the binary conversion here, and we can read it if we go in groups of 3. And then again for octal, it'll display the initial input, which is 4, 5, 6. For hex, it'll display 1, 2, and E. And for decimal, 302. We'll press enter so that it'll allow us to do it again. There you go. And we'll do C this time, which is a hex value. And I really like that we can use letters in this one. So FA4 is our entry, and that outputs the conversion in binary. It also, the conversion in octal, which is 7644, and then again it displays the initial input for hex, and for decimal we get 4004. Again, we'll press enter, and this time we'll do D, and now we just put in a decimal value. And for this one we'll do something a little bit bigger, and that'll display the binary conversion, the octal conversion, which is 22642, the hex conversion, which is 25A2, and then again it'll display the initial input for decimal. And when we enter Q, then it ends the program. And then here I just have a little display code which just tells us that we ended the program. And I just kind of want to run through what the methods look like. So over on the left, the screen that's moving, we have the methods that actually do the conversions. Here we've got a hash map, which was kind of difficult to implement in Java. I like the Python version better, but I won't go too far into this guy, but it's a pretty long one. So as we can see on the left, it's kind of a little bit more messy. And then on the right over here, we've got our main program, and this is a little bit cleaner, which is really nice that we're able to use methods and just call them in on this side in the main program and keep it relatively small and relatively clean. It also allows us to make less mistakes while creating the menu. We're just able to type in a couple things and create this main program that does everything that these subprograms can do. And yes, this is the conversion Java program that I have created. Thank you. Bye.